Tell us what's for supper.
Hey, man, this weekend, I love this. These are the kind of days I love. Last weekend, dove season opened in Mississippi. This group I cooked for killed over 100 birds. I'm going to cook for 25 on Sunday afternoon. We're going to have dove. I'm going to take them. They've already cleaned. They already breasted out. I'm going to wrap them in bacon, stuff the insides with jalapeno peppers, cook them on a grill. And I got a huge grill. I can cook them all at one time. I don't have to sub out. We'll have grilled dove. We'll have a green bean casserole. I'll have a couple of different salads. A potato salad goes with that very well in a green salad. I make a what I call a juiced up Thousand Island sauce. It's called comeback sauce. It's got a little more vinegar in it. Again, it gives you a little kick with your salad. Homemade cat head biscuits. If you've never had those, I'm talking about the biscuits about big as your fist. You won't be able to eat but one or two of those along with that. Wash all that down with a big old pitcher of sweet iced tea. And for dessert, all these guys love homemade banana pudding. And here's the difference. I put a really thick base in it, and I probably overdo the banana. I don't do a whole lot of vanilla wafers in mine. But when I take it out, on the side, I have crunched pecans. I have really pecan. They're really cut up fine. And I sprinkle that either on the fold the banana pudding over like an omelet, and fill the center with pecans. You're talking about good, guys. That will make you want to take a nap.